back to the CL Families page. Here we're just getting shown around by our butler at the Blanc Los Cabos resort. This resort is absolutely beautiful. It's an all-inclusive. Here we're taking a look at our suite. It's a honeymoon suite, and we're about to go ahead and take a look at the view that we have. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, so again, this is an all-inclusive hotel. It also has butler service, and just take a look at this, y'all. Just look. Like, come on. They have weddings here. It's an adults only, so no kids, and they give you top shelf liquor. Okay, so now we're just headed to the pool because this is our first day there. They have all these little carts out, and you could also order with your butler from any restaurant that you would want. But truthfully, it's like, you just want to grab a little snack to hang out by the pool and stuff like that. But yeah, just take a look at everything that they have. They have, like, you can make your own tacos. Okay, can we get a cheers for this view? Because that passion fruit margarita is something that I just can't get over. Okay, those 5 pounds I gained during this vacation, I'm okay with it. But here's a restaurant that we checked out at nighttime. It's called Blanc Asia. So good. Okay, so here we have tuna tataki. Right here we have some beef tataki, and then over here we have some sushi rolls. We have like California rolls, and I believe this is beef. My husband ordered this one. The back ones are California rolls. Here we have some steak with some baby bok choy and some kind of sauce here. And then we got some steamed rice with some curry chicken, boiled egg, and then it also has some fried fish. Good morning to us. So today is my husband's actual birthday. We never really get to travel when it's his birthday, so we're taking full advantage this year. And we're in Los Cabos, a place that we both never visit. So I actually planned a very adventurous day for us today. And the tour is actually going to pick us up from the hotel. So this is us driving in the tour bus. And here we just got to the exact place that we're going to be doing a bunch of crazy stuff, which is the Wild Canyon. With the zip lines, we did the UTVs, we did the ATVs. And we also did the horseback riding. Hey guys, so we're at Wild Canyon and we're about to do some ATV riding. Today's Caddy's birthday. So yeah, gang gang.
Catalina Express bring y'all to where y'all need to go.
Alright.
Let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going around this desert. Across the bridge.
Oh, really?
I don't know how Sydney's gonna do this.
I'm good, but Caddy's scared of heights. Look, this is one of the bridges that I think we're gonna cross. But the first bridge is coming up. Babe, how do you feel?
Oh, I feel good.
So, as you can see that they have a bungee jumping over there. It was actually closed, but it was included in our package, if I'm not mistaken. But that's definitely something that me and Caddy are not about. So, we're definitely going to skip out on doing bungee jumping. after doing our ATV. This is me just walking across so that we could get into our zip lining.
¡Excelente! ¡Oh! Acércate, acércate. No, acércate más. Get closer, get closer. She's harmless. No, get closer.
Be closer, man.
Hire her, like, touch her in a decent way. Excelente. Behind, okay? And you're gonna see the magic words.
What is it?
Bésame.
Bésame mucho.
Sarita.
Having an adventurous day with my husband for his birthday. We're gonna go ahead and head back to the hotel and get ready for tonight's dinner. Again, this is a 5-diamond hotel and it's an all-inclusive. I have a chicken stew with some veggies, and then over here he has a soft shell crab with stew.
Yeah, get ready, camera, man.
Come on. So here we have a mixed salad, and then here we have mushroom soup. Looks good. Everything so far has been amazing. So here I got a regular beef lasagna, and then Caddy ordered pasta seafood, which has clams, shrimp, mussels, octopus. So today is a new day. This is now our 3rd day at the hotel, and we're just gonna go ahead and relax by the pool. Right here, we're just checking out the area where they typically have dinners, and where they have, this is the arch for weddings and things like that. A lot of marriages happen over here. I mean, look at the view, it's absolutely beautiful, so I could completely understand. But yeah, just come on a ride with us. Okay, so now we're actually headed to go private sailboating. This was absolutely amazing. It's the first time for the both of us to do this. It was kind of scary. I feel like if you have motion sickness, it's definitely not for you, but it's an experience. And the water is pretty rough in Cabo, so that's why they don't actually recommend for you to swim in it. But yeah, we're having a blast. We're just taken by the views, and we did this for the sunset. This is the end of our video. We would definitely love for you guys to, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, ask us any questions in the comments below. We'll be more than happy to help you with any information that we do have. As far as rating, we definitely give Blanc, Los Cabos, a 10 out of 10. Okay, so just make sure you go ahead and book, and then you let me know exactly how you love it. All right, peace.